Good morning, class 10. Dear student, topic statistics is continued. And today we will learn to find the mean by assume mean method. Here, class interval is given. It is 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, 180 to 200. And if you can see, are 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. Now we will find class marks or XI. It is the mid value of this. It is 110, 130, 150. Is a difference of 20, 170 and 190. Now we take one number as a assuming A. A is called assuming. So it is Xi minus A. That is called Di. Then it is minus 40. 110 minus 150 is minus 40. Minus 20, 0 plus 20 and 40. It is Di. Then Fi Di. 12 4 ja 48. So minus 480. 14 2 ja 28 minus 280. 8 into 0 is 0. 6 into 20 is 120. 10 into 40 is 400. Now addition of plus term is 520 and addition of negative term 0, 6, 7 minus 760. Now it is sigma Fi Di. It is minus 240. Minus 240. Sigma Fi, it is 50. Then it is also called n. Now there is a formula for the mean. X bar, mean is represented by X bar. It is A plus sigma Fi Di upon n. So A is 150 plus sigma Fi Di is minus 240 upon n is 50. Now 0 0 cancel. It is 150 minus 5 4 ja 20 and 5 4 ja 5 8 ja 40. So it is minus 4.8. Then their difference it is 2 point. There is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. Then it is 1 4. So answer is 145.2. The mean of given class interval and frequency is 145.2. Dear student, next is to find the mean by step deviation method. Here, question is class interval 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300 and 300 to 350. Frequencies are 4, 5, 12, 2 and 2. Now let us find Xi. It is mid value of this. So it is 100 plus 150 is 250 and its half is 125. Now there is a difference of 50, so it is 175. Then it is 225. Then it is 275 and it is 325. Now let us suppose this as A is assuming, then it is xi minus A upon h, which is called u1, and here h equal to 50. So it is, first of all we will find xi minus A. So it is minus 100 minus 50 minus 0, it is plus 50 and it is plus 100. Then u1, ui is xi minus A upon h. So it is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Now we will find fi u1. So it is minus 8. 5 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 5. 12 into 0 is 0. 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 to the 4. Then addition of plus number is 6 and addition of minus number is minus 30. And sigma fi ui is minus 7. Now there is a formula for mean. Mean is represented by x bar. And it is A plus sigma fi ui upon n into h. Yes, n is 19 plus 12 is 31 plus 4 is 35. So here n equal to 35. Then A is 225 plus sigma fi ui is minus 7, n is 35 into h is 50. Now 7 5 ja 35, 5 10 ja 50. So it is 225 minus 10 and mean is 250. Mean of given data is 250. Dear student, here we will find the mean by step division method when the exclusive class interval is given. Here class interval is 50 to 52, 53 to 55, 56 to 58, 59 to 61 and 62 to 64. This type of class interval is called exclusive class interval. And frequencies are 15, 110, 135, 115 and 25. Here xi, it is called class marks or mid value, it is 51. 50 plus 52 is 102, that's half is 51. There is a difference of 3, so it is 54, it is 57, it is 60 and then it is 63. Now we suppose this as a assuming, then it is xi minus 6. So it is minus 6 minus 3 0, then plus 3 and 6. Then it is h equal to 3 है. So ui is xi minus a upon h. It is minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2. Then fi ui it is 15 2 ja 30 110, that is 0 115 and 25 2 ja 50. Now addition of plus value is, it is 165, it is minus 140, their difference is plus 25. Now formula for me, x bar is a plus sigma fi ui upon n. Let us find the n. N is sum of all these values. 5 5 10 10 20 carry 2 2 1 3 4 4 3 7 8 9 10 carry 1 and it is 500. Carry 1 400. Okay, so it is 57 plus FIUI is 25 into, there is into H. H is 3 upon 400. Then 25 1 ja 25, then 25 6 ja 150. Then it is 57 plus 3 upon 16. 3 upon 16 is 0.0. 16 1 ja 16. It is 14 0 16 7 ja 112. 8 ja 128. 16 9 ja 144. So it is 57 plus 0.18. So mean is 57.18. The required mean of the given data x bar is 57.18. Dear student, it may be approx 57.19 also. It is more accurate because the difference is 12. It is value is more than 5. So it is 57.19.